Hey lovelies, welcome to my channel. I'm Blake, aka Jasmine if you're new, and if you're one of my OG followers, welcome back. Let's get right into what we're gonna talk about today. Brace yourself, I'm gonna hit you over the head with this one pretty bluntly for those of you that are new to following me or those of you that have even been around for a while. This is a pretty good reminder for you guys. Any formulator, any person that makes skincare recipes, that puts them out for people to try is lying to you if they tell you that you are going to have success just by following XYZ ingredients, rules, phases, aka whatever it is. If you follow the recipe step by step, the best thing that these formulas are going to be for you are a starting place. Please do not make the mistake of following me or any other formulator that tells you that you're going to have success with the recipes and that the recipes will take out all of the hard work for you. The hard work is done. Nope. Doesn't even matter if they've had their recipes tested, if they've had their recipes third-party lab tested, home tested. Any kind of testing, whatever they've done, does not mean anything for you in your business. What you need to do is test them. Testing them is a must, because I will tell you, I'll spin a little tale for you about a few stories that have happened to me, but I'll kind of make it quick for you, okay? So about a year ago, somebody bought a recipe from me, and a week later, I heard back from them. They were posting in my group. I didn't see that they had written me, but apparently they were stressed out because they bought my recipe thinking that they wouldn't have to do their own testing or anything like that, right? They just bought the recipe flat out, and then they made it, and they actually made it to go and sell to people at a physical fair immediately, which if they would have talked to me beforehand and any of the disclaimers I've given, you're not supposed to do that. You really should test them and make sure that they're okay for your customers. They align with your standards. If you need to tweak them a little bit, there are various reasons why recipes are going to turn out different for everybody. One of them being that there's different climates in different areas. You're using different brands of ingredients, even if you use the same. Sometimes it just depends. Different batches are different. There's a whole lot of factors as to why your recipe may or may not work out the exact way that it's supposed to in any given formula. And you want to make sure that you cover yourself by doing that type of testing ahead of time, okay? Don't be lazy and think that this is going to take out a lot of that hard work for you. It is not. I hate to break the news to you. You will have to do your own testing. You will have to still research ingredients and have your own understanding of them, right? If a customer comes up to you asking you about what this product does, you don't want to have to run back to me for me to tell you about the ingredients. You want to use that moment for you to shine, and you tell them how the ingredient functions in the product, is necessary, and helps their skin do X, Y, Z. Just to be clear, I wanted to let you guys know that what a formula is, it's a great starting point for you guys to become inspired, to learn, to get your hands dirty, try the formula, see how you like making certain products, because just because you buy say you fall in love with bath bombing in the beginning, right? You might like that in the beginning, but as time goes on and you make your formulas, you may gravitate more towards body butter or anything else. So you want to make sure that you want to just use this as a beginning starter point for experience, okay? You don't want anybody to tell you that a certain formula is guaranteed to work. And another disclaimer I wanted to make sure that you guys know is that I had my own business that was really successful when it comes to selling skincare products. And at the end of the day, I'm here to share my experiences with you guys. I don't have any sort of formal training. I'm not accredited with any school. I didn't take any courses or classes for formulating. I just have a lot of experience for it. I do have a little bit of a talent for it. And I just try to share my best with you guys, everything that I do. And so with that being said, just so that this isn't misconstrued, that nothing, that I'm not claiming to be any sort of like, you know, I don't have any degrees, any school or training, okay? So you guys know that I have experience making things. It is a hobby of mine. I love making skincare. I'm sure if you're following my channel, you do too. And I just like to make things, okay? And I'm willing to help you guys in any way that I can, answer questions and anything like that. So For those of you guys wanting to know who I am and what I do, I no longer sell physical products. I just do formulas. I teach you how to make it. Every now and then, certain people ask me, I may go ahead and sell it or send it to you, but I'm very low-key about that. I blew up at one point in time in 2020. I did not go handle the pressure well. It was a lot. It was very overwhelming. So I really like to make things low-key, but you guys are always free to ask. All right, so I just wanted to drop by and explain that to you guys, to show my face, say hey, see how you guys are doing. If you have any questions for me or any sort of video request that you want me to do, any sort of formula request, even though I have a lot of great stuff coming to you guys on Patreon, let me know and I'll make it, see if I can make it, see if I can advise on it. I do one-on-ones, and until then, I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.